Hello doctors, I'm Dr. Abhinav and in this video today we'll see how to clear FMG exam in 45 days. This is for people who are planning to start their preparations now, or for those who think that their preparation is not very good, or they think that they are not in a hope of passing the exam. So all those people can watch this video. So in this video today I'll be telling you what are the subjects that is need to be learned in this 45 days, which will get you a passing score that is more than 150 out of 300. And I will also tell you how to schedule uh, which you schedule which subject for which day, and when to revise and all those things I will tell you. So my aim is to give you an idea about how to pass this exam, that is the upcoming FMG exam in December 12, 2021, in just 45 days. So I will give you the idea, and definitely I know that you will work hard to it, and you will apply it, and you will also pass it very easily. Okay. So now let's go into the video. So before going into the topic, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. So I know many of you will be thinking, can I clear the exam if I start now? Yes, the answer is yes. You can clear the exam because FMG exam asks you only to get 150 out of the 300 marks. There's no negative marks, and this is a quite simple exam compared to other central institute exams. So these are the critical six subjects that you'll be needing to learn. These subjects have so much of incorporation that even if you learn one subject, it is going to help you in two or three subjects. So what you will have to do is you will have to learn the anatomy. Okay, this anatomy subject is going to help you in surgery, orthopedics, ENT anatomy, and ophthalmology anatomy also. So by learning anatomy, you are just touching upon other four subjects as well. Okay. Then the next one is pathology. This is also a very important subject because pathology has a huge incorporation in medicine, and this will also help you in knowing the disease. So all the fourth year subjects will have some pathology in it. Okay, so this is going to be really helpful. Pathology will also help you in some physiology questions as well. And the next thing is pharmacology. So whatever the subject may be, you'll always have question on drugs. So pharmacology as of subject has a huge incorporation with anesthesia also and medicine also. Okay. Then microbiology and obstetrics and gynecology and PSM. So every year, if you see, there will be like at least 50 to 60 questions from either obstetrics and gynecology or PSM. So learning these two subjects is very important for you, and this is going to help you in your exam very much. So if you learn these six subjects, you will be ready to score at least 190 out of the 300. So if you know this subject, and if you also know some bit of other subjects, so you can easily score 200 or even more than 200 also. Okay, but by just using this strategy and preparing for the 45 days. Okay, so coming to the study schedule, what I have done here is I have divided each subject into 5 days. So anatomy will be for 5 days, pathology for 5 days, pharma for the 5 days, micro for 5 days, obstetrics and gynecology for 5 days, PSM for 5 days. So this is going to consume 30 days out of your 45 days left before the exam. So what you will do in this 30 days itself is that you will be learning the subject. So if you take anatomy, you will study anatomy for 5 days. In each day, you will be having 10 to 12 hours of preparation. So within the 10 to 12 hours, you should do 2 hours of revising of what you have learned before in anatomy, and 1 hour of solving MCQs in anatomy subject. So solving MCQs is very important. Okay, that will give you an attitude of solving the questions that are going to be asked later. Okay, so you have to do this each for each subject. You will have to prepare a daily 10 to 12 hours and solve and revise MCQs. Okay, so now your 30 days out of the 45 days is gone. So what you will do next is, so 35 After the 30 days, for the final 15 days, what you will do is you will start solving the previous year questions. So previous year questions, either it be NEET PG questions or previous FMG questions, some questions are going to repeat. That may not be the exact same question, but the concept, the idea of that question is going to repeat in one exam or the other. Okay, so solving the previous year questions is very, very important. And you will also have to do a mock exams every 3 days. Okay, in the final 15 days. So mock exams, you will be sitting and writing that 300 marks exam, and then you will come to know where you are standing actually. So if you get 160, then you know you should push harder. You should revise those six subjects harder. So if you know that you are getting below 150, then you should change your plan. You should start revising more and more and solve more and more questions. So if I have said for 1 hour of MCQs, you will have to do 2 hours of MCQs. And if you have to study, if I have said 10 hours of preparation, you will have to extend it a bit 15 hours also, because you want to pass the exam. Okay, that is the final goal. Okay, so you will have to do mock exams every 3 days, and you see if your marks is increasing after each mock exam or is it the same. Okay, then what you will have to do is you will also have to revise your subjects. So whenever you are revising the subjects, if possible, try to touch up on other concepts also. So if you study a topic in pathology, if there is a conceptual question you encounter in the MCQ exam, so you just go to the medicine and just know what that concept is. Okay, just don't no need to go into detail. So you just have to touch upon a bit. Okay, so that is what touching upon importance of points from other subject can help you sometimes. But your main goal is to revise those six subjects that I have told you. Each subject 5 days, revising, solving MCQs, and then for the final 15 days, you will do the previous year questions, do mock exams, see where you are standing, and then also revise your subjects. Okay, so that was the plan. So that was quite short, and also that is what you will be needing to clear the exam in the given 45 days that we have. Okay, so I wish everyone all the best for the upcoming December FMG exam. I wish every one of you will pass this exam. Okay, so I will also be coming up with another video, like what you will have to do before the exam and how to give an aggressive offensive approach when you are in the exam, how to solve the questions that are being asked, how to plan accordingly. Everything I'll tell you in another video. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.